like Muniswarlu. Levites are those like priestly people. They help in the church, temple. Sinners. Sinners are these so-called untouchables these days. Publicans we call otherwise. They said the people don't like them. They will be far away. Okay, that's what it is. Elders in the Jewish community, some people represent as like Peddalo, like Rajaki Naikulu, like Jewish Rajaki Naikulu. Okay, that's what. Proselytes, good. Proselytes mean, good, you are, some of you are writing. Right. Proselytes means originally they were not Jews, but they changed their religion from Greek people. They want to become Jew. Such people are called proselytes. Okay. వేరే మతం పుచ్చుకున్న వాళ్ళు క్రైస్తవ మతం పుచ్చుకున్న వాళ్ళు మనం ఏమంటాం అట్లాగే సో Judaism, those who have taken Judaism are called proselytes. Nazirites, they will take a vow. Then the parents will only sometimes take a vow. I will not give alcohol, wine. I will not marry. And I will serve only God. Like our John the Baptizer. That is called Nazirites. These are all Jews only.
Uncle.
Yes, good. Except, yes, tell me.
Uncle, can you zoom the page, Uncle?
Oh, good. This is one place. This particular thing only I am talking. Okay. Okay, I'll zoom. Okay, good. Yeah, still more you want? But my point actually is not to make a big thing about it. Just to name. When you don't write now. Don't write. You have the notes is there for you. I will send the notes. All this now. Don't write. What I am saying extra that you write. Don't write this. Okay, I will supply this. I have already supplied this to you. I posted to you. So don't write. Don't waste time. Now, worship center also I told you, this is a third temple for them. This temple also was destroyed by Nero after in 70 AD. Now, for the Jews, from Jesus' time, after Jesus' death onwards, till now, there is no temple. Okay? In the whole of the Jewish people, no temple. And then there is only one, okay? Okay, right, this is all. Synagogues also over. D point now, I did not. D. God they worship is the one called one God. Only one God they worship. That is called mono. Mono means one. Some people have pray to different gods. They are called polytheists. Our Hindu friends, they are called poly. Poly means so many. But Jewish people, like Muslims also monotheists. They have only one God. Christians, monotheists, one God. So Jewish people, and they are called monotheists. Any doubt so far? Good. Then what is their Bibles are? Quran is for Muslims, Vedas for Hindus, Christians Bible, New Testament and Old Testament. What is the Bible for the Jewish people? Yes, I'm again stop sharing and coming. Good to you. What is the Bible for Jewish people? Tell
Tanakh.
me. Tell me. Not the New Testament.
Only the Tanakh.
Only the Old Testament.
Yeah.
Only Old Testament. Torah. Good.
Not just the Torah. Torah is
Torah.
only for the Sadducees. But
Okay.
there are three parts of Old Testament for
Anyway,
Jews.
that no, Jason, good. But I'm telling little easy. I'm not making a big thing about it. Okay, whether Pharisees are here now, for them, these 39 books are. 39 number is not there for them. But they are different. There are different order for them. Different order. From we start with Genesis, end with Malachi. But for Jewish Bible, I have Jewish Bible with me. Yes, please. Rajiv, yes.
Uncle, we praise the Trinity, no, Uncle.
Okay, that's a different. No. We have one God, not three gods. Jesus, Holy Spirit, Yahweh God, together one God. Okay, in one God, three persons are there. It is little different. See example. That's a different topic. I'll tell you little later. Christians are having only one God. Okay, remember this, and then you will slowly learn that. Okay, good. Like that, ask me. No need to stop your doubts. Write down if any doubts is coming. Simply note down here now. Tell me again, what are the three religions who are called monotheists? Tell me now. Huh? Tell me.
Muslims,
Muslim. Good.
Muslims, Hindus, Christians.
Hindus are.
Hindus are polytheists.
Hindus no. Hindus so many
Christians,
are.
Jews, Muslims, and many others.
Many others means who?
Parsis,
Parsi
Yazidis,
no.
etc.
Only three religions.
Six.
One is
Muslims, Christian.
Muslim. Next is
Six.
Jewish
Christian.
people. Third one,
Christians.
Christian. All these three, Yahweh. Even Muslims don't call Yahweh. They have also Abraham. They so many. Most of their Quran, most of it, not full, is our Old Testament. Okay. Okay. Right. Now we'll come to what is that? We're coming next one. You see, what is the next point? What is their Bible means? These days, you and I have the Bible. So many Bibles are there in our house. Telugu also again English. So many varieties of versions are there. But those days, for Jesus, what Bible
Uncle?
did he read? That is what we should know. What Bible they were using in their homes?
Tanakh.
No, none of them have their own personal Bibles. None of them. The Bible they have is in a scroll. Tolsutta.
Uncle?
Yeah. Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. Good, wait, hold on. They will, okay, only priest will have. Even Jesus' time. And even in the Old Testament, still further now, only the high priest will be having that. Okay, only one authority. And if at all the priests are there, Levites are there, they will copy and keep them. They cannot have personal copies. And so, only the copies of the original document, all of them means priests will be having, Levites will be having, or no. That is what. Even Jesus doesn't have a personal copy. Okay? He cannot read whenever he wants. But you now, whenever you want, whatever language you want, is available. Yes, now someone to talk to me. Someone raised the hand. Otherwise, I'll go to next one. Okay, remember this very strongly. What Bible Jesus used is not the Bible that you are using. Okay? Yes. So, yes, please. Quickly, whenever you want to talk.
Uncle?
Yes, please.
Uncle, Jews are not the Christians, Uncle.
Okay, good. Jews are, though in Jesus' time, there was no Christian at all. Jesus' time, only Jews were there. Muslims also were not there. Amma, Jesus was not a Christian. Very strange. Jesus was not a Christian. He was a Jew. Yes. Slowly you'll know.
Then we are also Jews, right, Uncle?
No, who said that? Good. We are not Jews. Jews, original Jews, don't pray to Jesus. They don't believe Jesus. Right? But they are waiting for the Messiah, Christ. They don't. Even today also I saw in my WhatsApp one message came from a rabbi, Israeli, to me. They are waiting because Corona came, so serious problem is coming. Now the Christ is about to come. Messiah is coming, he is telling. He sent me a message. So they are waiting for Christ still. We are not, because already Christ came. Jesus only Christ. Okay, that is what. Okay. So we'll go to the next one here. Next topic, what is that here? Actually, I prepared for this one and next called geographical. You have a curtain now. Shall I open the screen again?
Yes, uncle.
Yes. See now. Synagogue. Okay. Gentiles, I told you last week only. I told you Greek, Samaritans. Now, okay. Now we come to the geographical curtain. Geography. What do you mean by geography? Okay, I'll see just see once. Okay, I'll reduce. Geography you must have studied. Yes, don't write. All the things
The
are there.
features of a
This is a new one. I will post it again to you. Okay, no problem. Okay, now I'll put it here and here. What is called geography?
The features of
the
the place
the
where he
exact
was born.
Place,
place.
study of the land, the water,
Oh.
the mountains, rivers.
Study of earth, uncle.
Good, good. Yes, Jonathan.
I know division.
One only. Raise hand. See, Jonathan, raise hand. Listen to him.
The physical divisions of earth.
Good. Very simple, he said. Physical divisions. Okay. So, what are the geography? Means where was Jesus born? In which climate? I mean, not which area was he born? Which country was he born? What was the country like? Is it like India? Like rivers are there, so many rivers are there, mountains are there in some places here. How is this country called Palestine? So in geography now, we are, no, it's so interesting. So map pointing will be there for you. Find out where Vijayawada or where is the Gupta's empire. Oh, so many things they will be asking. I mean, I don't know how many of you are interested in this map pointing. But anyway, we are learning little bit of map. I kept ready some maps also. I will teach you how to draw what do you call Palestine map. Have you ever drawn India map on your own and then pointed out? You must be buying the outline maps. Abba, outline map and then you draw. Not that I'm saying. You must draw Indian map and then do. Oh, Rajiv hand is there. Okay, okay, good, good, good.
Sometimes I did, I think, uncle.
I will teach you very easily to draw a map. Okay, to find out the areas and all that. I kept ready. Okay, so what I'm doing is now again I'll go to the share here screen. Okay, acha. Geographical curtain here. Jesus was born in a continent. What continent? Say. Asia, our continent. He's an Asian. He's not an American. Many of your friends think, hey, American religion and all that. So he's our man, our countryman. Asians look almost the same. That is called. Next one, which country was he born?
Palestine.
Those days it is called Palestine. Now it is different. Now it is called, what is it called as?
Israel.
Israel. Okay, Israel. So, sorry. That before Palestine, it was also called as Canaan. Canaan Desam. Canaan Desam. Okay, next. This Palestine country is divided into some provinces, like our states. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, like that. So, 5 I put it here. Okay. I will share the map. It's not here. Okay. I will share the map. I put it there in brother is helping us. No. Yes, great, great. Very nice. See, this is the map of the country called Palestine when Jesus was there. You see, okay, this is called a sea. Before that is called, this is called the Mediterranean Sea. Can you see? Mediterranean. Telugu we say Madhya Dhara Samudram. Whole earth, it is a central place. It is there. This one. Okay, that is a salt water. Then we have Dead Sea. Here now, Dead Sea. Yes, Dead Sea. It is too much salt. Afterwards, okay, it's there in Israel. Then there is another sea called Sea of Galilee. So between Mediterranean Sea, Galilee Sea, Dead Sea, this is the country is here. This is the country. very small country. This is called Palestine. But what you see, this blue color one is not Palestine. That is another country. Phoenicia, Phoenicia we say. This country is not Palestine. This one. Okay. This Decapolis was not ruled. This one different. So this is one point. Judea. Two hands. Okay. Right. This Judea is one state. Andhra Pradesh, supposing it is like. Yeah, good. Here you see. Good. This is Judea. Andhra Pradesh like. And this is Samaria. Samaria. This is another state. Another province. This is called Galilee. See the Galilee. This is Galilee. Yes. Galilee doesn't have a border for Mediterranean. Telangana doesn't have a sea. Telangana, our Telangana. Same way, Galilee doesn't have the Mediterranean coast. No. Then it's called Perea. This is called Perea. Okay. So 4 I just put here now. One is, what is this one? Galilee. Speak please. Galilee. Samaria. Judea. In your Bibles it will be there at the end. You can learn. This is Perea. Now, okay. So, but these names will be coming in the Bible, New Testament, many times. Okay. This is about geographical background of the country. There is a river. Oh, one. Okay, same. There is a river which flows from much far into the Sea of Galilee. From there, it goes into the Dead Sea. This is the river in that country. This is the only river. It is not like Krishna River. It is like our Yelur Canal, Yelur Kalwa, Bandar Kalwa. Antakante chinadi. That is their river. That's all. So this is called country called Palestine. Okay. This is called Roman Empire. This is the one. When Jesus time, this area, all this area, Rome is controlling. That time their names were like this: Galatia, Italia, Asia. Asia means not present Asia. Different name. Okay, this just to know this. You can Google it and see all the things, or in the Bible also. Sometimes it will be there, you know. So over to me again, brother. Provinces. Yes. So the country geographical is one here now. In the whole of the world, God chose to send Jesus to this country called Palestine. He prepared long back. He prepared that one to give it. He promised to give it to the Jewish people. And Moses, under the leadership of Moses and Joshua, they entered this land, occupied somebody's land. Somebody's land. Canaanites, Hittites live. Okay, those Perizzites, all those people were living. They killed them and occupied. God said that. That country, still some of their natives were there. But still Jewish people also were living. That time Jesus was there. That is called geography. Any doubts so far? Boring? Boring? Why all this one Jesus story? What else are this one telling? I told you, before you are born, how your parents worked so much, prepared so many things for you. Then only you are comfortably born. Same way, all these things are to be known. We will understand Jesus better. Okay, now while coming again here, the route map. Again, I'll share the screen. Okay. See here, these provinces are here. Ethiopia, I did not tell. I will tell later. Okay, Ethiopia province is there now. Okay, right. Neighboring countries are there. This Palestine country is having like Pakistan, Nepal. Tell me some more neighboring countries for us.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Good. These are our neighboring countries.
Nepal, China.
But which country is so enigmatic for India?
China.
Pakistan.
Pakistan and China.
Pakistan.
Pakistan and China.
Pakistan.
Good. Those days also for Palestine, there were some enemies like, they were not that much comfortable. But finally, Rome is controlling them. That's why somehow Rome, when as long as Rome was nicely doing, they were not, because Rome is controlling them. They sent the soldiers to protect them. They have to pay taxes. So one is called Decapolis, is a neighboring country. Jesus goes to other countries. That's what I'm telling now. Even though he belongs to Palestine, once in a while he used to go to other countries. That call is Decapolis. Then when he was a child, he went to Egypt. Parents took them to Egypt, another country. Syrophoenicia. In the map, I'll again know. Syrophoenicia, one Canaanite woman, Jesus healed her son. Tyre and Sidon, Turu Sidon. Okay, that is another country. And little top below, there is another called Syria country. All these are the neighboring countries. Some of them Jesus visited. Some of them they have to take cautious about it. Okay. Now we come to the area called distance. Oh, my time is about to leave overnight note. Distance. Okay. From each distance, from place, from Galilee is quite far from Jerusalem. 100+ kilometers from Galilee to Jerusalem. Every year they have to walk from Galilee to Jerusalem. Walk 100 kilometers. I don't know whether you walked 2 kilometers anytime. I don't know. Anyone walked 5 kilometers at a time? I don't know. From here to shop also you want scooter or car. These days so many things are there. Okay, Jenny raised hand. Good. See, I wait for Jenny. Okay, again come back to stop sharing. Yes, Jenny. She wants to know something quickly. You raised hand, Jenny. No, yes, yes. Okay, okay. So, any doubts? It's a hilly country. It's not like road in Vijayawada. Aha! Palestine, ups and downs. They have to climb hills. So many hills, up and then climb down. Again up and down. No proper roads. That's it. All that they have to, you have to understand. Jesus, from the age of 12 onwards till 33 years, every year 2-3 times per year, he has to go to Jerusalem. How many times he walked? One time 100 kilometers, another going back 100 kilometers. When he was a 12th year, one time Jesus was there in Jerusalem. Father and mother were searching for him. Third day or second day, they found him. That much time they took. They walk. You see, that is the no. See, you don't understand their difficulties, how hard work Jesus did. You don't understand, love him very much, right? Your Tatagaru's time, if you know, no, the comfort, no, okay, Gudiselu, they used to live there with the firewood. They have to cook. No, so many like this one, nothing like this. No fans, hand fan, no bulbs, kerosene lamps. Every day, all this they did. Sadhyana. You simply hot food is coming, you don't care. Remember the past, how Jesus lived, how your grandparents lived, and then be gratitude in all that. I think I need to stop here. And then, unless you have doubts, because at the back of me, my watch says it's about to 8:15. I need some time for you to discuss and other things. Yeah, no one is seriously asking questions, doubts. Yeah. So far, very little we are learning. And then I will be teaching how to draw in the next session. keep your white papers ready and pencil ready. I don't know how in the computer, how do I draw? I have to learn. Someone will help me how to draw in a computer. I tried, but not working. I don't know. I don't know. So with a pencil, something I had to do, and then here maybe I'll put the screen like this, jump and then do. Yeah, speak please. Nothing. Yes, Danya, speak. Speak.
Uncle, Galilee, Jesus lived place, Uncle.
Okay. Where did Jesus born? In which province was he born? And where he grew? That I did not tell. I wrote down the notes. I'll tell you. You tell me now where, in which district did he was born? Which province?
Uncle, Bethlehem.
Bethlehem is a village. In which district were you born, Dhanya?
Jerusalem, Uncle.
అరే బాబు నువ్వు ఎక్కడ ఏ జిల్లాలో పుట్టావు నువ్వు
Krishna Jilla.
జెరూసలంలో పుట్టావా నువ్వమ్మా జాషువా ఏ
Krishna
జిల్లాలో
Jilla, Uncle.
జీసస్ మరి ఏ జిల్లాలో పుట్టాడు ఇన్ విచ్ ప్రావిన్స్ వాస్ హి బోర్న్
Uncle, can I say?
టెల్ మీ ఎనీవన్
Uncle, Judea, Uncle.
జూడియా గుడ్ బట్ వేర్ వాస్ హి గ్రూ
Galilee.
గ్యాలరీ పుట్టడం ఒక జిల్లాలో పెరగటం ఒక జిల్లాలో అది మీరు కూడా మేము కూడా అంతే నేను ఎక్కడో వేరే జిల్లా ఎక్కడో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ మీ డాడీ ఉద్యోగం ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాం కానీ ఈ వారు కాదు కొంతమంది వేరే జిల్లా వేరే రాష్ట్రాలు సమ్ అదర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ ఈ బిలాంగ్ సమ్ అదర్ మేబీ స్టేట్స్ ఆర్ కంట్రీస్ somehow we are settling here. I don't know where you will settle down. Yeah, good. Next question. Nothing. When I gave an assignment, actually, some of you are confused. I gave a small passage. Okay. And then find out the religious points from that. Or geographical points from that. Political points in that. Which king was you find out? To which empire was he belonging to? You can disturb. Yesterday, Joshua was talking to me till 10 o'clock. Yes or no? Even 10:30 also he was talking to me, chatting with me. He has doubts. He was asking me. Good. I am not disturbed. I told you first only. I know I have lot of work. I'm telling you. Too much work I have. I am not doing, but I have to submit my work. I'm accountable. But still I am giving time to you. Today I worked for nearly 4 hours to type and find out and then searching the maps and then, oh, so much I'm working. I don't know how much you are working.